Hari Om Tassat. Today we learn Pran Mudra. First upon we know Panch Pran Upasana. 5 main Vayus are Pran, Apan, Vyan, Udan and Saman. There are Panch Sub-Vayu Upavayu, namely Nag, Kurm, Krukal, Devdutt and Dhananjay. These 10 Pran Vayu flow in all veins of the body. Pran and Apan Vayu are main Vayus. Mudras must accompany Yam, Niyam, Asan and Pranayam during Upasana. It helps to perform sadhana with ease and progress well. Now we learn method of Pran Mudra. First upon tip of little finger and ring finger are touched at the tip of thumb. Other two fingers, index and middle finger, should be kept straight and together. Human body works well because of vital force. When we inhale breath, we take oxygen, nitrogen and other gases along with vital force, which is very minute. Science has defined oxygen, but vital force or vital energy is different from it. We get vital force, which is also called Bhargo Tej, received from sun. Gayatri Mantra describes this Bhargo Tej, brightness, minute subtle pran. Vital force is considered the ultimate element. One can attain yoga if pran and apan vayu get balanced. Practice of pranayam will make pran and apan balance. As per yoga theory, Lord Krishna talks of it in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Performing pran and apan mudra together help to attain yoga effortlessly. Vital energy mainly lies at nose, mouth, heart and middle of navel. Now we see benefit. First, vital force is developed well. If pran mudra is performed keeping the spine straight, it gets activated and elevated. Hidden power is awakened. Second, vital force increases immunity. Third benefit, a weak person becomes powerful physically and mentally. One can save oneself from the attack of bacteria and virus, so remains free from viral disease, gaining good health. Fourth, the elements of earth, water and fire gets combined, resulting in any obstacle of blood circulation or vital force. Fifth, tiredness is removed. Every limb of body feels energetic, fresh and powerful. 6. Blood circulates well. Vitamin deficiency, particularly of vitamin C, is cured. 8. Eye disease are cured. Brightness of eyes is increased. If performed 15 minutes before meal, food digested very well. Throat and lungs work properly. 10. Helps in post-paralytic condition. 11. Muscles in the body become strong. 12. Patient of diabetes can perform pran mudra and apan mudra together to control it. 13. In case of insomnia, it should be performed with ध्यान मुद्रा. 14. It lessens feeling of hunger and thirst, so it can be performed during fast to control hunger. 15. According to astrology and palmistry, all malefic effects of lifeline and mercury line are removed. The undeveloped mountain of Venus will be developed. अस्तु. हरिओम तत्सत.
हमारा यह वीडियो आपको पसंद आया है तो उसको लाइक करके अपने ग्रुप में शेयर कर लीजिए और आप सबको विनंती, हमारी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए